Hi Slovak learners! Ahojte! It's spring. Winter is behind us and the weather is finally getting warmer. Today we'll learn some useful words and phrases for talking about spring in Slovak language. Download a document with this lesson at the description. Let's start! Začíname! But before starting, if you haven't already, please follow us so you'll know when we release new videos. First, let's go over some essential words related to spring, jar, like kvet, flower, strom, tree, list, leaf, slnko, sun, dážď, rain, dáždnik, umbrella, dúha, rainbow, teplo, warm, kvitnúť, blossom, záhrada, garden, tráva, grass, vták, bird, včela, bee, červ, or, lienka, ladybug, motýl, butterfly, Veľká noc, Easter, jarné upratovanie, spring cleaning, picnic, picnic, čerstvý vzduch, fresh air, hniezdo, nest, semiačko, seed, výsadba, planting, marec, apríl, máj. Some common verbs used during spring are rásť, to grow, kvitnúť, to bloom, pršať, to rain, svietiť, to shine, poletovať, to flutter, sadiť, to plant, upratovať, to clean, prechádzať sa, to take a walk, voňať, to smell. Some phrases to use during spring are jar je moje obľúbené ročné obdobie. Spring is my favorite season. Kvety kvitnú. Flowers are blooming. Všade sú krásne kvety. There are beautiful flowers everywhere. Dnes je krásne jarné počasie. Today is beautiful spring weather. Svieti slnko. The sun is shining. Na jar chodíme na pikniky. In spring, we go on picnics. It's time for you to practice. Try saying the following sentences in Slovak language. Blossom. Kvitnúť. Flower. Kvet. The sun is shining. Svieti slnko. Very well done! We hope you learned a lot with this lesson and let us know in the comments what other words you would add. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!